Lightweight, compact, and incredibly intuitive. The DJI Neo is a mini drone that redefines simplicity and cinematic quality for every type of user. Weighing only 135 grams, it's lighter than most smartphones, making it an ultra-portable drone that you can throw into your pocket or backpack without a second thought. From the very first use, you'll feel how effortless this drone is to operate. Thanks to its palm takeoff and landing feature, you can launch the DJI Neo directly from your hand with just the push of a button. Whether you're enjoying a summer BBQ or hiking a scenic trail, it's built to be ready when you are. You don't even need a controller. This drone flies using voice commands, your smartphone, or the included remote, giving you full flexibility depending on your environment and experience level. Once airborne, the Neo truly shines with intelligent features like subject tracking and quick shots. The built-in smart tracking ensures that the drone automatically follows you while maintaining the perfect frame, acting like your personal videographer. With 8 quick-shot modes like Droney, Circle, Spiral, and Boomerang, you'll be capturing professional-level cinematic footage, even if it's your very first time flying. Under the hood, the DJI Neo comes equipped with 4K UHD video capability and advanced stabilization, paired with level 4 wind resistance. Whether you're cycling through open terrain or walking along a breezy coastline, you can count on smooth, detailed footage every single time. And for those a little nervous about flying close to obstacles, the full coverage propeller guards mean you can fly with confidence, even indoors or through tricky spaces. If you're looking to extend your flight time, the DJI Neo 3 battery combo is your ultimate companion. With 3 batteries and a 2-way charging hub, you get up to 54 minutes of total flight time. That means less time charging and more time capturing breathtaking aerial views. Plus, it includes everything you need to stay powered on the go, whether you're filming a family picnic, an epic bike ride, or just practicing your piloting skills. Every feature of the DJI Neo is designed with creativity and convenience in mind. From one-touch cinematic modes to reversible anti-snag zippers on its carrying case, it's all built to deliver professional footage with zero fuss. Whether you're a content creator, a traveler, or just someone who wants to share moments from a new angle, the DJI Neo helps you do it with style and ease. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or a seasoned creator searching for a compact backup, the DJI Neo strikes the perfect balance. Its intuitive controls and smart automation mean you spend less time learning and more time capturing. Even without prior flying experience, you'll feel in control from the first takeoff, making it an ideal gift or starter gear for content creators, adventurers, and tech lovers alike. And let's not forget the style. This drone doesn't just perform well, it looks great too. Its sleek, modern design combined with DJI's trusted engineering makes it a standout both in the air and in your gear setup. From impromptu family shots to travel vlogs and scenic panoramas, the DJI Neo is ready to follow your every move with elegance and precision. Customers love this drone for its balance between simplicity and quality. Many describe it as the perfect starter quadcopter, offering sharp video, smooth controls, and impressive stability, even in windy conditions. The camera and stabilization system earn high marks, and while a few users note minor compatibility issues with the app or hardware components, overall feedback highlights how user-friendly and fun this drone is right out of the box. So if you're ready to take your content to new heights, literally, the DJI Neo and its 3-battery combo deliver everything you need in a sleek, powerful, and approachable package. It's more than just a drone. It's your new flying camera, always ready to follow your lead. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.